So welcome back to Shop, everybody. My name is Andy with Boatworks today. In this video, we're doing a little bit of a quick and dirty. Now, granted, those are two words that rarely, if ever, come out of my mouth, but we have a location here that is just screaming for some type of a protective coating on it. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Now, the area specifically that I'm going to be working on is right here. Now, this is, for the most part, it's buried once the seat and everything is back mounted in place. This is not a very high visibility area. So we're not going to be overly concerned, but we do want to have some type of a coating over top of it just so we don't have raw exposed fiberglass. Now, if we wanted to, we do have the option of coming in and using, if we wanted to use like a primer and then a paint, but because this is what I consider to be kind of a wear area, you know, again, when you're sitting here underway, your feet are going to be in under here if you're wearing sandals or what have you. This is going to be an area that's going to get scuffed up just with foot traffic, if nothing else. And for that, I think Gelcoat is going to be a much better option just because it has a thicker film. So that's the plan. I'm just going to give this a quick wipe so that this has a few minutes for the solvent to evaporate and we can start laying up our material. But first things first, this has been, as part of the prep, we kind of shaved down with one of the faces because it was kind of cracked up a little bit. So I'm going to reestablish that shape. All right, it looks good to me. So I'll check back in 30-40 minutes and see if it's far enough along to be able to start sanding. Done a rough sand to shape and a quick wipe down. Now I'm ready to start applying the Gelcoat. Now, for this particular area, again, because it's going to be essentially buried, it's not going to be real visible, I didn't go overboard with trying to get the Gelcoat color matched. Now, one thing that I did make sure to use is that I'm using a Gelcoat that does contain wax, because one and done. When you're in a situation where when you're trying to do like a real quick turnaround, a one and done type of a project, a Gelcoat or a type of a polyester resin that contains wax is going to be your best friend because it's a single application and then you just walk away. You don't have to worry about coming back again, top coating it with something else so that material will fully cure. It's all built in, it takes care of itself, and pretty much goes on autopilot. So, that's it. I'm going to catalyze my Gelcoat and cover up our boo-boo. Easy peasy. Now it's time to have some fun, splash the boat, and enjoy the weekend.